Good evening, everyone. I thought it might be a good idea to post a video as I've gotten quite a few questions about how to submit an assignment in LCTrad Campus Edition. So from your LCTrad classroom, you can go ahead and get to an assignment a couple of ways. Number one, you can click the course material and find your hyperlinked assignment that way. You can look for it on your calendar. Now remember, it will always show up on the last day, so the day that it's actually due. Or you can get to it from your syllabus and just find the topic that it belongs to. So for this example, like I said right here is an example of how we get to it from the course materials. So the whole description of the assignment can be found here. The total number of points. If I scroll down, any attachments that might be included will be down in there at the very bottom. So to submit the assignment, I need to select the New Attempt button. Any rubrics that will be associated will be in that top right-hand corner right there. Once I click the New Attempt, I have to give my assignment a title, and it can be anything that you want, something that's descriptive of the actual assignment. And once I'm happy with it, I click the Save button, and then I select to create or add files. Once I do that, I can select Upload Files, Create a Document, Add from Google Drive, or Microsoft One. My recommendation would be to upload files. You've probably saved it to your computer and you can find it very easily that way. So once you have saved it to your computer, you'll select Upload Files, and then it gives you the Browse button. And this is going to browse anything that you might have saved on your computer. So when I select the Browse button, it'll usually bring you to your documents. I find where I've saved it and select Open. Now let's say I have an assignment that requires multiple attachments. That's completely fine. You just select the Browse button again. And then it brings you back to the same window. You find your next example assignment or whatever is associated. Hit Save. And then it should be showing right there for you. Now, some assignments do require Turnitin. Any assignment that requires 500 words or more would require Turnitin before you actually hit to submit to your instructor. So if you see the Submit to Turnitin button right there above the Turnitin SI, all you have to do is hit the button, and it will produce a similarity report for you. And what's nice about that is that you can review that Turnitin report and you can upload as many times as you want without the instructor ever seeing it. So let's say the Turnitin report is a little too high, you can go back and re-upload if you want to. Now the Turnitin report takes about 15 minutes, but it can take as long as an hour, so make sure you plan ahead for that. So once I have my uploads done, I've submitted to Turnitin if that is a requirement. My last step is to select to submit the attempt. And it's just that button to the right of Submit to Turnitin. Now, until I've done that, the instructor cannot see my submission. So that is pretty important that we select to submit, and then you'll see the final submit with the date and timestamp following right there. And I hope that clears up some confusion, and please let me know in the questions to instructor form or individual form if you have any other questions. Thank you.